Bakery, we start on I do it on a Wednesday morning. We start at 9 and we finish at 5. We start off by preparing the shop for the next day, so making pizzas, anything the shop might need like truffles, we prepare. And then once all that's packed up and cleaned, we start with our bookwork. So there's a William English book that we have to follow, and our teacher Peter will tell us which recipe we're doing for the day, and we just follow the recipe. Well, it's mostly practical assessments. We do get a couple of theory books that we have to do for assessment, but yeah, most of it's practical work. So Peter will give us the recipe, show us how it's supposed to look, and then he will judge us at the end with how close it was to his one. So we have to serve customers, and it does get quite busy at recess and lunch. We get that rush, especially on vet days. Do your best, follow the recipe, don't be scared to make a mistake, because the worst that can happen is you scratch and start again. Other than the physical skills that I've learned, it's really helped me learn the skill of teamwork. I always struggled to work in teams, but since I've been working with Peter and that, working in pairs and stuff, I believe that I've improved in that. It's pretty cool that just through school we can get our first 3 certificates if we really want to, and then we just got to go to William English for the last certificate, so it's pretty easy to get started.